Hi J2s, I'm just going to do a very quick overview of a calendar because you're so busy learning about time. You're learning about how many days are in a week and how many months are in a year and about seasons. I thought this might be helpful for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a few different months and we're going to look at how a calendar is laid out. So the first thing is when you come to any month in the year, and you have a look at that month in a calendar, you'll see that that month is usually up the top. So we know that this page is covering the month of April. You'll usually also see at the top that it will have the year. Now we know that the year is 2020. Along the top, you'll also have the days of the week. We know there are how many days in a week? Correct, there are 7, and they always go in this order. Monday to Sunday and then back around and then again and again and again. I wonder if anybody knows yet how many days are in a whole year. There are 365 days in a year. So after that 365th day, which is December the 31st, we start a new year. So next year will be 2021. So let's look at April. You can see again the days of the week along the top, and then these are all the days within the month. Each month will often start on a different day. So for example, April starts on a Wednesday. And the first day of April is actually April Fool's Day. Now this calendar is for the month of April, so along here these things that are written in are some special events that are happening in April. Each month has different special events. I've added my own, which is the 29th of April, with a smiley face because that's when term 2 begins. There are some other special days that you might have celebrated this month, which I've highlighted. So for example, Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and then Easter Monday is usually a holiday from school as well, but we were on holidays at that time. When you have a look at a calendar, you will see lots of numbers for each day. Each month has a different amount of days. So for example, April has 30 days. The last day of April is the 30th. There's a little poem that some of you might have heard before. I'm sure your mums and dads have heard it. And it helps you learn how many days are in each month. And it goes like this. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, except February. It has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. And I wonder if any of you have learnt yet what a leap year is. It's a really special year. There's actually a leap year this year, which is very exciting. On the website, there's a little video clip about Winnie the Pooh, and he teaches you about what a leap year is. Right, so this is April, and then what I'll do is I'll just flip over and I'll show you a different month. This is October. Have a look really closely and see if you can work out how many days are in October. Correct, there are 31 days in October, so October is a little bit longer than April. I wonder if you can see any special events that are happening in October this year. I've highlighted 2 and I've added 2. So Diwali is a very special festival of lights which is happening on the 27th of October, which is a Tuesday. Another special event is the last day of the month is Halloween. I know some of you will celebrate Halloween. That's on the 31st, and that day of the week is a Saturday. And then I added in my own event to remind me that it's my mum's birthday on the 30th of October. If you have a calendar at home, you might like to pop some special birthdays or events in your calendar. Mrs. Dark and I both have our own calendars, and that's where we write all of your birthdays in so we don't forget them. I think that covers most things with a calendar, but if you've got any more questions, feel free to send them through to your teacher. Enjoy the rest of your day.